So this is the first semester I'll be using Canvas, so I'm kind of excited to learn the program. If you click on the Blackboard Canvas link on the UMKC homepage and click on Canvas, and you'll sign in using your single sign-in. And then find the Mathematics for Liberal Arts course. You'll have to bear with me. This is the first semester we'll be using it, so some of these things will change, and you guys are going to be my guinea pigs in that. So please keep the lines of communication open if there's any issues. Most of the content is going to be in the MyMathLab and Mastering link, so fortunately I've used that a lot before, so we're not going to have too big of issues with that. But I want to start with the syllabus. You can find a copy of the syllabus here, and it has some sign-up links. This is a link to the virtual office hours, and everything that I went over in the previous video can be found there. I have found it's very beneficial to actually print off paper. So if you click on the file link in Canvas, you'll see anything that I post, I will also put in the file link for you guys to find as PDF. So you can find a PDF of the Mathematical Modeling and Reasoning course, the Math 116 Math for Liberal Arts. You can find the syllabus, and you can also find the checklist. I recommend you open that checklist and you print it off and you keep it with some paper that for this course, and as you go through it, you know, your first assignment, check it off when it's done, and then you'll know where you're at. Having a physical hard copy of things are very beneficial in an online class. So we don't always want to rely on the system. Hopefully it works, but it's going to be beneficial to download that. You can download that, look at it at different formats, and you should be able to print that. For some reason, my internet is running slow, so it's taking a while to open. If you have any problems, just let me know with that. But you should print that off, maybe save it to your desktop so you can access it again and again and again. The next thing I'm going to just kind of mention on is the Piazza message board. The Piazza message board is kind of like our virtual classroom in a sense. If you have any questions on the material, if you post it here, I can answer it for everyone in the course, which can be nice if we're having issues on the exact same problem. You should be able to log into Piazza and link it to your Blackboard account. I will send you a sign-up link, and again, my internet is just being terribly slow, so it's taking a while to look at that. So as you can see that I created an introduction post, which is one of the assignments in your first week, is just to kind of get familiar with Piazza. If you want to create a new post, there are folders you can put the post in, which makes it easier to search for things. If you scroll to the bottom, you see the introduction. If you have MyMathLab issues, you can flag those as that, or if you're having problems with a certain homework problem or quiz problem within a certain section, you can put that question in that section. You can put a question if you want an answer, the introduction, or just put it as a note, put it to the entire class, your summary, and then write the details. One of the nice things about Piazza is you should be able to take screenshots. Since we're using MyMathLab as the online homework system, you should be able to maybe use the snippet tool on your computer and take a screenshot. You can put new and just drag it. Oh, I'm having problems with this right here. I don't know what's going on. You can save that as a picture on your desktop or in a folder, and then you can upload that and insert it as an image. And then that makes it really easy to communicate any problems that we're having in MyMathLab or any things like that. I will respond to your posts, either maybe a quick answer, or maybe I'll need to create a video like this video going over the math that might be giving you problems. So this Piazza. The next thing we're going to look at is MyMathLab. So when you first click on the MyMathLab and Mastering link, you'll need to link your Canvas account to your Pearson account. So you'll need to sign in and you should be good to go there. You have these links to all your assignments, or you can just go ahead and link to the course homepage. So if I go ahead and click the course homepage, hopefully your guys' internet is a little faster than mine right now. So here you'll have your kind of calendar, what to work on next, when's the due date, and this will change. You can view all your assignments. I kind of want to focus on the toolbar on the left-hand side of the page. This has your links to your multimedia library. So you can look at, okay, I want to look at Chapter 1, Section 1, maybe see everything that's available. And so this is everything to help you be successful in this course. There's example videos, there's the lecture, there's the textbook, and there's PowerPoints. Within the homework assignment and quizzes, you'll also find links to the lectures, homework, and PowerPoints. So it's kind of nice they're in more than one place. And you will see the course. Once I fully open the course, you'll see all the assignments. But if you click on, let's just say we want to click on a section homework assignment, you'll get the details in the homework above. You'll see the media, and then you'll see the questions. A lot of times the questions will be locked until you at least click on the media. So then you will get a point for opening the 3 things: the video, the link to the textbook, and then I also find it beneficial sometimes to have PowerPoint. Since this is an online course, not everyone purchased the textbook, so it might be beneficial for you to at least open the PowerPoint, maybe save it to your desktop, maybe print it out, and as you're going through the homework you can write on it. It's really nice to have be organized for the course, because the homework problems are going to come up on the quizzes, which are going to come up on the exams. The numbers might not be the same, but the structure will be. It'll be very nice to kind of keep organized as you go through the course, and it will be a lot easier on you guys than if you just try to do it all on the computer and you don't keep any written work with you. So when you click on the PowerPoint, you have an option to open it or save it. So I probably save that file, and then it's going to download. So depending on what browser you use. So this one example, it downloaded in the upper right corner. I click on that, and then I can save that to my desktop, or I can put it in a different folder. And you might, print. You could print it 4 to a page or 6 to a page, but sometimes this is just nice to have examples, and it's kind of like a book condensed into a PowerPoint. And this is very, very similar to what the book says, and the examples there. This is the link to your ebook. So you'll need an Adobe Flash. So you'll run Adobe Flash, allow it. You want to use a browser that allows for Adobe Flash. And it's going to take a few minutes to open. And once it opens, you can kind of read through the book and see examples and things like that that might come up in the homework. Once you've clicked on the 3 media, you'll then have the ability to open the questions and work through the homework assignment. You can see your score in the gradebook, and it will post to the actual gradebook for the course as soon as you work in it. So if you see your gradebook grade change much for your overall score, it might just be because you just opened an assignment and you only clicked on 3 things. So as soon as you open it and work on it, it's going to post to your gradebook. So your grade can be found here in MyMathLab, for the semester, and you can see currently only 9 of the homework assignments and 3 of the quizzes are available, but by the time the course opens, everything should be ready to go, or by the time the first couple of weeks start. I hope everyone has a great semester, and I hope Canvas works out good for us, and MyMathLab is a smooth semester. This is the first time we're using this book in the course, so please keep the lines of communication open. If there's any problems with a certain problem or a quiz or the overall flow, I'm kind of using you guys as my guinea pigs, so please don't be shy in communicating with me. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and best of luck with your summer semester.